Hey, move out of the way.
We can go outside actually.
Hey, that's a monkey.
No, Baba, you don't want to get.
Hey, monkey.
I'm gonna go.
Monkey. We finally met the monkey.
Oh, zoom in.
We just got here. Zion is really excited.
Aja.
He's sitting there.
Look at his eyes, monkey.
The red thing records. Yeah.
Somehow my thing is always dark, so when we go back, we'll figure it out. What?
Hey, look at this guy's beard. It's like
Who really
big.
drove a lot. The boy.
Hey, videotaping a video.
Carmen, how do you zoom in on this camera?
Haran, we need you.
How do you zoom in?
Okay, he wants to go there.
Oh my God, Aja.
No,
Hey!
I am not going.
Hey, my dad's outside. Should I? I'm
Our
gonna
only driver.
Oh my God, you just kissed his hand.
Wait.
I'm not going. I don't want Papita to go.
Don't go there.
Don't go.
Kill you. Run.
Don't go.
I can't let my friends get killed.
Oh my gosh.
Parent!
Close the door.
Lock it. They can open the door.
Oh, it's right there.
Haran thinking.
Oh my God, Aja.
It is a cookie.
Aja.
Don't do that. Don't. Guys, don't excite him. He's gonna try to come in as soon as Dad enters.
From this side.
No! Haran, don't leave us.
These are such chickens.
Close the door for us.
Hey, I love you, man.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. If he attacks you.
Did you know that I love you?
Come on in, Haran. Haran, go in.
Jesus, sweetie.
Did you notice I loved you more than anything?
I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna go out. Aja.
It's a monkey. Don't.
Oh, there's this one.
Hey, look at that monkey.
We might get attacked by all of them. There's a gunguru coming. Bambira, right here with Mogujuri.
Hey, Nagina.
Oh, he wants to come in. No, he might open my door. Come on.
Oh my God, no! Take a poo. I zoom in on this kid.
Purposely.
He's taking a
This is Kamran.
Oh my God, Aja.
Hey, Cheesy!
Okay.
Cheesy, monkey!
Where is the beef jerky? Hide it. They can smell it.
Hide it!
Wait, Gian, don't go.
Oh my God, I have this.
Oh, shoot.
They smell it. Come on, put it in the bag. I don't want Papita them something to happen.
Run, stay in the car.
Papita, you okay?
Monkeys! I love you! Hey, monkey. This is a good monkey.
She peed all over the car.
No!
That's disgusting.
Hey, look at this big fat one. Yes, a monkey. You love me, man? Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Did you hear my mom screaming?
There's the boys.
So, how's life? Taking a piss all over my car. I think you deserve to be.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's my hey, my dad. Look at these bullets, they're sicko. Let's zoom in on this furry creature. Hey, look at my little brother, he's scared. He's scared. Wait, it's a reflection.
Come on, look at it for a second. Come on.
Oh my God.
Do you need to get in the picture? Let me get one of you.
Can I touch him?
Smell like my butt.
Stand closer.
No, dude, you
Alright
can't.
guys, look this way. I want to get the monkey in your bag too.
We got a monkey on our car. Monkey!
rock right now?
I wouldn't
Monkey! Wait, can I throw a rock at the cable car?
Yeah, that's a cable car. Oh, that would have been pretty cool too.
No, it's cool. We got this monkey on our car. Wait, he seriously took a pee on us?
Yeah, they're attempts. Don't.
He peed on top of our car. Hey. Let's go check this out. Where's this dude?
You guys are not like.
I have a camera. I can
You can see the rock of Gibraltar. This is attack.
Yeah,
Wait, he's cleaning his balls. Hey,
Take another.
can I watch you clean your... Wait, you just put your fingers in your mouth after you touch your butt? Oh my God. Do you have any respect of yourself at all? Hey, I love you! Hey, I love you! You know that I love you, man! But please don't take a shit on our window. Hey, yeah, man. Don't touch it, dude.
Oh, God, I almost touched it.
Yeah, I know. We saw him do that.
Hey,
Okay, touch it.
Poop is here from where you
let's go take a video of it. Poop.
I touched him. I touched him and it's on camera. Dude, I touched him. He didn't attack me.
Okay, good. Hey, look at this bee. Mosquitoes. Oh. Hey, can I touch him?
Jen, can you get one of me and the Ryan and the boys? Oh,
Hey,
okay.
monkey.
Sorry, we got no food for you.
Monkey,
Jen, can
why is your butt so demented?
Right, like our family. Oh yeah, facing this way. Gian.
All right, everybody, come on, turn around. Let's get a really nice picture.
Our
Ryan.
car is a tourist attraction.
No. Okay, go.
Ryan, turn around.
We want a nice picture.
Absolutely.
Maybe one facing. Yeah. Guys,
Come on. Look at the
Guys,
camera. Really nice picture, guys.
You gotta look.
Oh my gosh, the monkey's cleaning himself.
Thank you.
Gross.
Thank you so much.
Hey,
Want me to take you to
you monkey. Can I touch him?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Well, can I touch the monkey?
Yeah, I can't see very well.
Yeah, that's alright. Just
Oh, you guys.
I'm gonna touch the monkey. Well, can I touch the monkey?
Just be careful.
Jen, did you really touch the monkey?
Yeah, I did. I have it on camera. I'm gonna end this. Oh, how do you go to a past video?
The one
thank you very much.
I already
Hold on,
did.
come on.
monkey.
How do you
Alright,
get
now I'm
this
taping
video
it
to
so I
play,
can put it
Baba?
on. Hold on. Just be careful.
I touched him! Monkey!
Videotape me touching it.
No. Don't touch it again, dude. He's gonna break your ball sack off.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Human.
Oh my God.
Hey boys, you got the
Oh,
chubby?
there we go.
Oh, hey.
He grabbed me.
Hey! Die!
That's disgusting.
Easy.
He's disgusting. Let's go back in the car now.
This is awesome. Okay, stand here.
Oh my God, he's coming back.
I need to get a picture of his ass. Look at this piece of crap. What the heck? The dog?
Monkey behind us. Yeah, just 1 second.
Oh, he's off on this. He's off on there. He's in his natural
Hey,
habitat.
he's in his natural habitat. Fat ass monkey. Gross. Wow. Stop touching your testicles. Look how far down that is. Over 500.
Oh my God, he's.
Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Taking his purse.
Oh my.
That's it more. At the end of the video.